Back from the dead.
Hey there, Creep family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Today I am bringing you the 13th and final look in our 13 Days of Halloween series this year with a good old classic skull. Now if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this post made on Halloween itself. Fun little photo shoot I did with my boyfriend, so go check that out. You'll follow me on there if you are not already. Otherwise, if you'd like to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I already have foundation on my face and now I'm just going in with an eyebrow pencil and then I'm just sketching in everything I'm going to be painting in. With looks like these, you want to be sure to have some kind of reference picture to go off of, as it can be kind of tricky to just picture in your head. I'm then priming my eyelids for some eyeshadow, then going in with a black eyeshadow. I'm using this all over the eye area, filling that in completely. And then also using this to fill in the little nose area. I'm mostly just using eyeshadows for this look, but if you have a body paint or face paint you'd rather use instead, then go for it. But then I'm going in with these two brown shadows, and you're going to kind of notice me bouncing around the face a lot during this tutorial and just kind of building up those shadows, creating that dimension as I go. This is where having a reference picture really comes in handy, as you can really kind of see where you need to be creating depth and shadows and highlights and all that good stuff. And as always, make sure to blend, blend, blend. I'm then using a black eyeshadow on a small brush to start sketching out the mouth area. Again, bouncing around the face, filling in some other areas too. I'm then using some brown shadows over the teeth here to kind of lessen the darkness and give it more of a gradient shading effect. After lining out that lower jaw, I'm then going in with some white face paint and using this to start to fill in some of the teeth here, make them pop a little bit more from the face. Then I'm just going in and blacking out all that negative area at the ends of the mouth here. Doing a little bit more blending. Then using a felt tip liner to start outlining some of the teeth. We're then going back in with some black eyeshadow, creating some more shadows and blending here. Also using that white face paint to put this on the high points of our face and make little highlights to draw them forward. I'm throwing on some false lashes and then just going in and doing a bunch of detail work, just literally again going back in, building things up, cleaning things up, all that fun stuff. Lastly, we're going to be doing some really simple stuff on our neck and upper body here. So just doing some shading, putting a little bit of a vertebrae kind of situation on our throat, shading our collarbones. And then that's it, you guys. You are now a skull. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this spooky season. I had a lot of fun doing our annual 13 Days of Halloween. As always, if you enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe to become part of our Creep family, and join us for any future adventures and shenanigans we get ourselves into. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah!